In this video, we'll show you how to easily crop videos using CapCut. CapCut is one of the top free video editors available for both iPhone and Android devices. Whether you're cropping a video for your projects, TikTok videos, or anything else, we'll guide you through the process in just a few seconds. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to crop. For this tutorial, I have a great video of a nice city that I'm going to use. Once your video is loaded, select it and scroll down until you find the transform button. Click on that, and you'll see three options: mirror, rotate, and resize. Go ahead and click on resize. The cropping editor will open, revealing several settings. You can easily crop your video using different aspect ratios. For example, the 9:16 aspect ratio is perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and YouTube Shorts. There's also the standard widescreen ratio of 16:9, along with other options like 1:1 and 4:3, which are standard formats. If you prefer, you can select the custom option to crop your video in a freeform manner, allowing you to choose your own aspect ratio. When you're happy with your crop, just click Done, and your video will be successfully cropped. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.